when you're living in a forest and the water isn't free. Reaching high isn't far enough.
All the sun shining easy, never breaking down to me.
All I need, but the times are rough when you're living in a forest and the water isn't free. And when the stars come out at night, I can hear them calling out to me. When you find your way, and we'll be waiting when you first catch sight of the sun.
Your path is hard to see,
So come on, follow me. The fight is always stronger in the shade.
sitting high, watch the clouds
Sitting high, watch the clouds roll by, throwing down your shadow.
You could never understand.
Never understand all you need living in the sky. With your feet in the briars and your head is buried firmly in the sand. And when the stars come out at night, I can hear them calling out to me. When you find your way, and we'll be waiting when you first catch sight of the sun.
Your path is hard to see,
So come on, follow me. The fight is always stronger in the shaded tree.
not everybody gets a free ride.
Your roots don't choose where they grow,
That's all you never know.
and though you try to turn a blind eye, stand aside, 'cause we are coming for a place in the sky. And when the stars come out at night, I can hear them calling out to me, and I will never give up. The sun will make it to the shaded tree. And we'll be waiting when you find. The sun will make it to the shaded tree. When you find your way, and we'll be waiting when you first catch sight of the sun.
Your path is hard to see,
So come on, follow me. Though you can't see the way, you'll fight another day. Nobody's journey is clear, but no will always be here. The fight is always stronger in the shaded tree.